Hello, in today's video, I wanted to talk about a new feature that Etsy is testing out at the current moment, and that is giving buyers the option to do video reviews. Now, this is something that Etsy is testing out, and the way you know if your shop has video review options is that you will see this notification in your dashboard. Now, the notification reads, "We are testing out video reviews where you show off your item in action. Since we are still fine-tuning this feature, video reviews will only be visible to you for the time being." Now, I personally like the idea of video reviews, but my biggest concerns are the following. I personally don't think most products would benefit from a video review. However, if your products are unique, handmade, you personalize or customize, those type of products can greatly benefit from video reviews. And this medium allows creators to kind of showcase their craftsmanship, attention to detail, and the personalized touches that makes that particular product stand out. But my primary concern centers around individuals who might be unfamiliar with the nuance of recording a video, right? Of recording a really good video, or who could inadvertently upload a low quality content video. And these videos can do more harm than good to a brand. Another huge concern that I have revolves around the possibility of buyers deliberately creating videos to harm a seller's brand. And the question arises, will Etsy delete such videos automatically? Or does there need to be a specific criteria or content thresholds for a video to qualify for deletion? And the worry here is that some buyers, possibly disgruntled for various reasons, might use the video review feature as a platform to unfairly tarnish a seller's reputation. Again, it raises the issue of how Etsy plans to handle situations where their intent behind a video goes beyond genuine feedback. It enters the realm of doing harm on a brand. So the critical question remains, what guidelines or safeguards will Etsy put in place, again, to distinguish between authentic reviews and then those motivated by malice? Are there any specific criteria or content requirements that a video must meet for Etsy to consider its removal? And without a clear, plan or guidelines, there are risks of genuine sellers facing unwarranted damage to their brand and business. So my hopes is that Etsy is able to establish transparent policies and a robust review system that can identify and address instances of malice, intent, or even just low quality videos, right? So share your thoughts on video reviews below. Are you buzzing with excitement, or is it a pass for you? For me, it's a little bit more of a pass, but let me know in the comments below. I would love to know. And thanks for watching.